Pinoy step, what they call it. And he got Benny Boat right up in the air. Crossing over, kicking it to Benny. Three is good! Hinahanap ko sa dunk.
Nahanap siya ni Marshall. By driving down the middle, he drew all the defense to him.
Yun na talaga. Kumananda naman. 6 out of 13 3-pointers. 34 points.
Oh, three-pointer.
Ayun, 3-pointer. Jericho Cruz. San Miguel hits that shot.
Yeah, katulad niya.
Cool na cool, di ba? Nakita mo, 2 seconds of the shot clock na lang yun doon. No panic at all from Don Troliano. With a hand in his face. Surveying the floor. He goes to the left side. Bravo hit one from the right earlier.
Yeah!
From the left. Back-to-back corner threes for JM.
Okay, ito si Bravo. 8 points na in the ball game.
Take it. Goes to Kuya. Kuya drops it off. Gio Chu. 200 dunk. Ba, dalawang dunk na to si Chu. Difference between the clocks right now. Paulo will try again. And when you try and try again, sometimes you succeed. And Paulo does it there. He's got 7.
Kumamit ng 30 seconds.
Binabisente si Virgil. Sabi niya di ba, manalo ka man. Nasisibot lang continuing to hit bombs.
Pwede ito makalaban mo, San Miguel.
Correct. Ayun na, Anamisi. Against Chu. Takes it over Chu. Didn't matter. Parang walang 6'10" sa harapan niya.
Oh, that was a good defense. Wala.
Bouncing to Ali. Naku, hindi siya komportable dyan. 1 second to go. Ayun! Pumasok naman pala. Turnaround jumper, 20 points na para kay Buba.
Malapit na kasi magpaalam ito. Nagpapakita ng managaling nito.
For the next Jericho. Drive. Basket! Chance for a 3-point play. Steady to si Jericho. Junma. Wala siyang bilib kay Ali sa depensa. Oh, ano nangyari kay Buba? Did he get hit in the bread basket or somewhere there?
If it was, I'm surprised nobody saw it.
Mukhang napuruhan, Dok. Sino mo? It went up to 13, Dok. Halos nagpalitan na rin ng basket. Look at that drive. Lakas talaga nito si Don Troliano. Don't be deceived. He's not that big. Buba can't take the 3. Will drive it closer. Gets it to go. They're going to count it. 3-point play opportunity.
Sabi siya, pasiklap siya ngayon.
CJ skying 2 in a row for swooping CJ Perez.
They're trying to put the other team away.
He wants to challenge Chu. Yeah, no, ikutan niya. Okay, basket. Parang he's a man on a mission tonight, no?
Naghahanda na ito para sa playoff.
Ganyan ni Ahanmisi, no? He probably should have had 10 more points. Yung mga tirang ganyan nandun, ha? Perez with 13. He's having his way sa depensa. May puwersa na siya ngayon. Step back. Sabi ni Dono, nakalimutan ninyo ako. Ako naman. That's just what they do, you know? And a big smile from Don Troliano. Kanina, seryoso.